In a tranquil forest, there was a tall and strong bamboo tree. The bamboo tree stood upright, with lush green leaves. Around the bamboo tree, many birds chirped merrily every morning, but there was one little bird named BIBI, who always felt anxious. BIBI was a cheerful little bird, but she often worried about her home. What if strong winds come? Or what if heavy rain ruins my nest, she thought every day. One day, while BIBI was looking for food, she saw the tall and sturdy bamboo tree. The bamboo tree seemed calm and peaceful even though the wind was blowing hard. BIBI flew closer to the bamboo tree and said, "Hello, bamboo tree. I always see you standing tall, despite the wind and rain. How can you be so strong?" The bamboo tree smiled and replied, "Hi, BIBI. I am strong because I know how to adapt. When strong winds come, I don't resist, but bend in the direction of the wind. And when heavy rains come, my deep roots absorb the water, so I remain firm." BIBI listened attentively and felt inspired. "What can I learn from you, bamboo tree?" asked BIBI. The bamboo tree said, "We all can learn to adapt to circumstances. Don't be afraid of change or challenges. Just like I bend when the wind comes, you can also learn to stay calm and flexible in the face of problems." BIBI felt excited hearing the bamboo tree's advice. She flew back to her nest with a new spirit. Whenever the wind blew hard or the rain poured heavily, BIBI no longer felt anxious. She remembered the bamboo tree's advice and learned to adapt to the situation. One day, strong winds brought a fierce storm. The trees in the forest swayed and some even fell. BIBI felt scared, but she remembered the bamboo tree's advice. She hid inside her safe and calm nest, letting the wind pass without resisting. After the storm subsided, BIBI came out of her nest and saw that her nest was still intact. She felt very proud and grateful to the bamboo tree. She flew to the bamboo tree and said, "Thank you, bamboo tree. Because of your advice, I was able to get through the storm safely." The bamboo tree smiled and replied, "You're welcome, BIBI. Always remember to stay flexible and adapt to circumstances. You will be stronger than you think." From that day on, BIBI became a calmer and wiser bird. She learned to face challenges with a positive attitude and no longer felt anxious. The bamboo tree and BIBI became good friends, supporting and inspiring each other. The moral of this story is that flexibility and the ability to adapt to circumstances are keys to facing challenges in life. With a calm and positive attitude, we can overcome various obstacles and become stronger.